Hey, 420, how are you feeling? Well, hey, Professor. The doc said I should be back soon. I appreciate you coming to visit me and all, but I thought you had class today, man. Well, I'm not going there. Trump's Twitter account just got reinstated. Oh, wow, man. The students will tear the school apart. We'll lose our jobs if the school's gone. I wouldn't worry too much. I found someone to stand in for me. The students will go after him instead of tearing the school down.
1, 2, 8, 3. We don't want to read his tweets. 8, 4, 2, 9. Reinstatement cross the line.
What's going on? Why are they rioting?
I'm not sure, but I think it was because Donald Trump was reinstated to Twitter.
So that means this riot is Trump's fault. Sounds like another January 6th to me. I'm calling Liz Cheney.
Better hurry. She only has a month and a half left.